Good morning, children. Today, in the last class, we have discussed about the valency and atomic size in the period and group. Okay, can you remember it? Yes. The valency in the group will be how it will be? The valency remains the same in the group. What about the valency in the period? It increases and decreases. This is the thing we have seen in the last class. The next one what we have seen is the atomic size. Okay, you can remember? Yes. The period atomic size decreases because it has the same number of shells but the electron increases by 1 unit so that the nuclear charge and the electrons are attracted. So from the left to right it starts to decrease. The atomic size in the period decrease. And what about the atomic size in the group? You know that the valency, I told you no, the valence shell increases by 1 unit, thus the atomic size, okay, from the nucleus to the outermost shell. If the shell increases, the atomic size also increases in the group. So atomic size in the period decreases and in the group increases. That we have seen in the last class. Let us discuss, okay, the metallic character. What do you mean by metallic character? What is metallic character? Metals has the nature of losing electron. Okay, that losing electron is called as metallic character. Okay, and gaining electron is called non-metallic character. We will see one by one. So metallic character. Metallic character is losing electron, that is called ionization energy. So losing electron, okay, that while losing electron it has to spend some energy and lose the electron, that is called ionization energy. It will be possessed by metals, okay. And let us see the period 3. Can you tell me the elements? Sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon. Okay, it is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. It's atomic number. Okay. When you see, okay, what are the elements? Page number 86, you just refer it. This is third period. In that, okay, sodium, magnesium, aluminium are metals. Okay, these are metals that will be given in green color. This silicon is a metalloid which possesses the character of both metal and non-metal. So, it is an example of metalloid. Okay. Then you see here remaining will be given in yellow, that are non-metals. From the phosphorus to argon it is non-metals given in yellow color. Okay. So here when you see the sodium, okay, it will leave how many electrons? Only 1 because it has 2, 8, 1. Okay, it will lose 1 electron. When you see here it will lose 2 electron. 2, 8, 2. It will lose 3 electrons. Okay. So, and it becomes, the next one is metal and has both the character. Then here it will be gaining the electrons. Okay. They are non-metals. Now, you tell me how the metallic character will be in the period. First it is metal, losing the electron. Then it become metalloid. Then non-metals are there. So, the metallic character is decreasing. Why? See, 1 plus this only 1 electron it has to lose. So, it has to spend only less energy. Okay. Here it is 2. It is 3. Then it becomes non-metal. So, metallic character is decreasing in period. You should keep it in your mind. So, in period, the period metallic character decreases. Why? From you can see it itself. So, it is green. then it becomes pink, then yellow. It means that metallic character is decreasing, losing the nature of electron is decreasing. And 1, if it is losing, it will have more metallic power because only less energy has to be spent. If it is losing more electron, it has to spend more energy. The metallic character decreases. So energy should be less spent, then only it will be more metallic. You should know it. So metallic character is decreasing in the period. It decreases. Okay. So the left hand side, if you see, majority on metals. Majority on metals. After that, in between pink color, no, that silicon. Boron, silicon, okay, then arsenic, okay, then antimony, palladium, tellurium. These all are pink color. 7 elements are given. No, they are metalloids which possess both the character. And the right hand side, yellow color. No, those elements are non-metals. Okay, in the period. So the metallic character, obviously, if you see, green become pink, then yellow. It itself says that the metallic character decreases from left to right. Okay, then we'll see in the group. In the group. Okay. So what is the nature? For first one, let us discuss the known elements. Okay. Lithium, sodium. Here it is 2, 3. It is 2, 3. It is 2, 8. 2, 1. Sorry. Then 2, 8, 1. Okay, what happens here? Here it will have only 2 shells. Okay, K and L. Okay, the distance between the nucleus and the outermost shell will be less. Am I right? Yes. When you are going here, okay, nucleus. So first, second, third shell also there. So the distance is increasing. The distance between the nucleus and the outermost shell increases. Okay. When you are closer, when it is close, the force of attraction will be more. When the distance between the nucleus and the outermost shell is more, okay, the force of attraction will be less. Okay. Why for you are telling these things now? So when the electron here, if it is to be lost, okay, we have to spend more energy. Am I right? Force of attraction is more. Okay, they have positive and negative. The attraction between the nuclear charge and the outermost shell is more. I have to spend more energy to lose the electron. Okay, when I am going down, the distance between the nucleus and the outermost is more. What happens? The force of attraction will be decreasing. Thus, the metallic character, okay, from the top to bottom, it increases. It increases. Why? The force of attraction is becoming less. So if they are easily, we can spend less energy. It easily we can lose the electron. So from the top to bottom, okay, the force of attraction between nucleus and outermost shell will be less. Thus, they are losing nature. Okay, when we spend less energy itself, it will the electron will be lost. Okay, so when you spend less energy and removing the electron is highly more metallic in nature. So when we go from top to bottom in the group, the metallic character increases. Okay, can you understand? The force of attraction, if it is more, we have to spend more energy, ionization energy. So it will have the metallic character is less here. When we go down, the metallic character increases because the number of shell increases. The distance between the nucleus and the outermost shell is more. So the force of attraction is decreased. Thus, less energy is to be spent and the metal will be losing their electrons easily. So the metallic character in the group, okay, increases. Because of this distance increases, less energy is to be spent. So it will be increasing the metallic character in the group. Okay, that is the thing. We have seen metallic character. Okay, now you yourself can tell me now the non-metallic character. metals. Okay. Non-metallic character is also called as electronegativity. Electronegativity. Electron affinity is for the electron affinity is for metals. Electronegativity is for non-metals. So gaining electrons. When you see this, no, we have seen that sodium to sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, okay, phosphorus, then sulfur, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, then argon. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay. When you see these elements, okay, it will be 3 minus, this will be 2 minus, 1 minus, and it will be 0. Say 15, okay, it will get 2, 8, 3. Okay, 5, it will gain 3. Here it is 16, 2, 8, 6, 2 electrons. So it is 17, 2, 8, 7, it needs 1 electron. So it is 18, 2, 8, 8. So it will be satisfied. So when you see here the gaining of electrons, okay, here 3. So we have to the electron gaining nature also. If it is 1 minus only will be more. So from here the metallic character only is decreasing, but non-metallic character no, negative na 1 minus only will be more. So here the electron affinity, okay, in the 17th group will be more. Okay, only 1 electron it can gain easily. Okay, but 2 electron it is little difficult. 3 electrons it has to spend more energy and this should get. Okay, that nature also is that nature of gaining electron also. If it is least, it will be more non-metallic. So when you see here, so this is only highly electronegativity. Okay, here it is less comparing to this, and this is less comparing to this. So the halogens have only 1 electron to be gained, so they are more electronegativity. Now you say the electronegativity is increasing or decreasing? Yes, in the period non-metallic character increases, just opposite to metallic character, it increases. So gaining 1 electron only more electronegativity. Okay, here it has to spend more energy and get the electrons. Okay, electronegativity also it increases in the period. When you are going down the group, okay, when you are going down the group, for example, fluorine and chlorine, there is exception case that you will be learning in higher studies. Now here, okay, all they have 2, 7, 2, 8, 7. The exception you will study in the higher classes, just now you know it. Okay, here the same concept, but it is vice versa now. Okay, see here. The electron, the force of attraction will be more here. So gaining 1 electron because of the force of attraction will be more if the distance is less. If the shell is less, force of attraction will be more, so that it can easily gain an electron. But if the distance is more, what happens? The force of attraction will be less, so gaining electron, okay, it will be a hindrance. It will not be easy to gain electron. So force of attraction, if it is more only, electrons it can gain. But force of attraction is less, gaining electron is little difficult. So going down the group, the non-metallic character decreases. Okay. So going down the group, non-metallic character decreases. Okay. Okay. Now let us have a recap. I'll do it by putting a ladder column. Okay. Period and group. And we have seen what are the things? Valency, atomic size. Then we have seen metallic character. I will write as MC. Okay, metallic character, no problem. Metallic character. Non-metallic character. Okay, now you can tell me in period and group what happens. Okay. The valency in the period will be increase then decrease. Increases then decreases. Whereas the valency will be in group same. Atomic size, okay, in the period decreases. Okay, we have seen that because of the force of attraction, electron shell will be same count. So the force of attraction will be more. So atomic size will decrease in the period, increase in the group. Metallic character in the period we have seen now. So green to yellow it moves. So the metallic character decreases in the period. In the group it increases because the distance between nucleus and the atomic outermost shell is increasing. So the metallic character, okay, losing electron will be good in the bottom. The elements present in the bottom. Okay. Then non-metallic character in the period what happens? We have seen now it increases. When it is least, it will easily attract. When you go down, the distance between the nucleus and the outermost shell increases. The force of attraction increases in the group. So gaining electron is difficult. So it decreases in the group. This, if you get idea, it will be easy. Okay. So today you have to learn that what is valency, how it will be in the period and group, and atomic size. Okay. How it will be in the period and group. What is the reason behind it? Metallic character, how it will be in the period and group, and non-metallic character, how it will be in the period and group. Okay, with an example, and you should know the reason behind it, so that it will be easy for the question. Okay, you should learn all the trends. Okay, trends in the modern periodic table. This is your homework. Okay, thank you.